a bathroom waste product becomes furniture.
Millions of old toothbrushes are discarded every single day.
Some discarded toothbrushes are collected for recycling.
Collected toothbrush waste is consolidated. Raw toothbrush waste contains plastic, rubber, and bristles.
Used toothbrushes arrive at the processing plant.
Different materials are identified manually. Automated sorting begins. Each toothbrush must be cleaned and separated.
Metal contaminants are removed.
The bristles are separated from plastic handles.
Different components are recycled differently.
Deep cleaning removes residue. Mechanical washing improves cleanliness. Cleaning prepares the plastic for processing.
Cleaning prepares the plastic for processing. The plastic handles become the main recycled material.
The plastic is now ready for shredding. Purity is verified. Moisture is removed completely.
The plastic is prepared for remolding.
Cooling stabilizes the material.
The recycled flakes are gathered.
The bench is inspected.
The plastic is reduled into smaller pieces. Heat transforms solid flakes into molten plastic.
The first product is outdoor benches.
Cooling solidifies the bench. Bench production begins.
The bench is constructed.
Uniform pellets are created. Pressure forms the structure. The recycled raw material is ready. Bucket production begins.
Cooling hardens the bucket.
Cooling completes the form.
The bucket is inspected.
assembly is completed.
Assembly adds functionality. The boxes are quality checked.
Storage boxes are packaged.
Finished benches are packled. Buckets are packaged. Distribution logistics begin. Finished recycled products await shipment.
Recycling creates practical goods.
More recycled products leave the facility.
Products are distributed.
From discarded toothbrushes to practical products. Waste becomes useful infrastructure.
Practical storage from recycled waste.
The recycled boxes are complete.
Old toothbrushes become practical buckets.
Discarded toothbrushes become durable benches. Subscribe for more hidden recycling factories and industrial transformations.